Hey everybody, it's Kayleen and Stephanie, and we're back today to talk to you about creating your support system. So, when you have a goal or something that you want to accomplish in life, you have to immerse yourself in that goal. And part of that means cleaning up the people and the surroundings that you have. So, creating that support system, first and foremost, you must share your goal with the people that you have in your life. So, with your friends, your coworkers, I'm going to use weight loss as an example. If you want to lose 10 pounds and you've struggled with that for a long time, you need to get your spouse on board. You need to get your friends on board. Let them know that that's a goal of yours and make them aware that, hey, some of my lifestyle habits might be changing. And I hope that you still love me and accept me for me. But I might not be going out to the bar with you guys anymore on the weekends. I may not be participating in some of the activities that we were doing before because I really have a goal that I want to achieve. So try and get them on board by sharing with them your goal. What's step number 2?
Absolutely. Step number 2 is find people who have the common goals as you. Create a support group. If you have a bunch of friends who have been talking about wanting to lose weight and stuff, form a little group. Sit down together, write out your goals, share your goals with each other, and help hold each other accountable. Use your spouse as well. Have them get on board if they want to lose some weight or even if they want to just adapt some healthier eating habits. You guys can do it together and you'll be a lot more successful. I know, speaking from experience, that when I got my husband on board, things were so much easier because it was fun that we did it together. We got our kids involved. They eat healthier now. Nobody wants to sit there and eat a salad while their husband is eating a cheeseburger. It's not fun.
Oh, it's horrible.
Yeah, so get them on board. It's a lot more fun and it's a lot easier to be successful about it.
And with that too, find yourself a mentor. So you might not have friends that know the steps to take to get to the goal that you're looking for. So sometimes you need to find a mentor, somebody that's been there, done that, and succeeded to help guide you along the way. So we're going to leave you with a quote today. Surround yourself with only people that will lift you higher. We hope that you're able to create that positive support system by our 2 easy steps that we've shared with you today, and we'll be back soon for more.
Yay!